Good morning! That feeling when your morning starts with this little ball of fur. Miyoko Coco. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Woohoo! Oh, you wanna say good morning? Good morning, good morning. You are my little... Yes, I know, I have a super annoying voice when I speak with animals, but I mean, she's so cute, right? Miyoko, do you want this? Yes. Hi, this little bot. I can't with this. Hi. The tea that I'm loving is my Wittard. This is the mango and bergamot one. It's insane. It just smells so good. This is just my absolute favorite. I also like they have a rose one, I think. And now cheers with tea. Now I will quickly just brush my teeth and I'll be back filming. So good morning everyone. Now today I decided to film my morning skincare routine and I decided to use natural light for today's video. I like to film my routines with this lighting because you can see exactly what I have on my face, all my freckles and everything. And also it's not so bright for me. And let me just put my hair in place. Today's routine will be very simple because I don't have a lot of products to show you. And by the way, have you seen the royal wedding with Harry and Meghan? I really liked her dress, but I must admit I really liked her second dress more, that old Hollywood kind of style. Okay, so for this skincare routine I will of course start with my cleansers. Some people like to use, a cleanser in the morning, some people don't. It's totally up to you, if you want to use one or not. I definitely don't have a lot of makeup on and stuff like this to cleanse everything thoroughly, but I do need to have that refreshment, that refreshed skin, especially if I use really hardcore skincare products in my evening skincare routine, or I use maybe a very hydrating mask, overnight mask. I do need to take off everything from my face in order to, apply the other products. So I do have two favorite cleansers for the morning, and that is the Low pH Good Morning Cleansing Gel from CosRX. This is a Korean beauty brand, skincare brand. And I also have the Somerville Exfolikate Cleanser. Now they do have some similar points, but in my opinion they're kind of different as well. To give you a little bit of information about both of these, this is from the exfolikate line from Somerville. If you are familiar with this line, you know that the products contain some acids and some fruit enzymes. This one contains some glycolic and lactic acids, plus again the fruit enzymes. This one, as the CosRX one, gently removes the impurities and also some dead skin cells. Of course the effect is very minimal because you only leave this on your face for like 30 seconds, but for me that's still enough, especially in the morning, to really feel that refreshed skin. Now, because of the acids, actually some people may find this to be quite drying on their face. For me it works perfectly. I just apply a little bit of this, I massage it with some water, and then I apply it on my face, and it creates a really nice kind of creamy lather. And now the second cleanser, which is the CosRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Now this one I feel like it's a bit more gentle than the Somerville one, so a lot of people may enjoy this one more. This also contains some mild acids to gently exfoliate your skin, but the quantity is definitely just lower than, for example, the acids in the Somerville cleanser. Again, it's very refreshing. It has also a low pH formula that does not strip your skin of its essential moisture. And of course the formula does not contain SLS because I don't tolerate that in my facial cleanser or in my shampoos as well. So now we'll go in my bathroom and just wet my face and show you how I use the cleanser. Okay, so I'm taking a small amount of the CosRX gel cleanser. This is how it looks like, so it's just like a jelly. And then my face is wet, so I will just try to create a lather on top. And this smells very interesting of kind of like a tea tree oil. I think it probably contains some tea tree oil in it. I'm not sure. So I just massage it for like 30 seconds. And I will go ahead and rinse it off. Okay, and I'm back. Now normally after, I wash my face in the morning, I follow up with my Drunk Elephant Sea Pheroma. The one that I have right now is not good because it already has that, oxidized, very rich ambery kind of color. So I'm waiting for another one from Sephora. But what I use right now, the next step, is my toner. And I'm using the Claire's, this is the Supple Preparation Facial Toner. This contains centella asiatica extract and aloe leaf extract, which will soothe the skin, has no alcohol. It also has some licorice root extract, which is very good for brightening, and it really works for me, this ingredient. So I just like to apply a little bit of this on, my fingers, and just massage it all over. And I like to apply 2 layers of this. It's the texture itself is really kind of lotiony. It's a bit more of a thicker, toner texture, but it's really lovely, and you are left with no residues whatsoever. It's not like a greasy toner or anything like this. I really like all the ingredients in here, and I really like Claire's products, so I definitely recommend this one to you if you are looking for a new toner. Very soothing one. And moving on to the next step, I'm using Secret of Sahara Oil Essence from Huxley. This is another Korean skincare brand. And again, it's a brand that I really trust, my skin really loves, and I just like, what ingredients they use. I just really like, the whole brand. Now this oil essence contains cactus seed oil, 61%, and is the first ingredient in here. So you can see, how concentrated it is. It's very moisturizing, contains some, antioxidants, which is always a bonus. And it has a really lovely, bouncy texture, which is non-greasy at all. And again, it's very good for layering. And also, I think this dropper is a really, really nice touch in here, because this is not super liquidy, the texture. It is, as I said, more bouncy, but at the same time, even though it feels very rich, it absorbs straight away. So it's very good for layering, as I said. Usually, there are some products that are not so good for layering, but this one is fantastic. It's so lovely, the texture is unbelievable. Again, just soothes the skin. And especially for the morning, it's really, really nice because it's not super heavy. Now moving on to my eyes, and I'm using the Elemis Pro-Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. Usually I'm not a fan of eye creams because I just like to apply, my moisturizer, my normal moisturizer on my eyes. Usually the ingredients are not so different. Yes, indeed, the skin around our eyes, it's quite delicate, so it's definitely more delicate than the rest of our face. But some eye creams just contain the same ingredients as some face moisturizers, so I don't see the point, in using actually a specific eye cream. However, this guy is like a 2-in-1 product because it is an eye area moisturizer as well as treatment for wrinkles. And I do have some fine wrinkles there, so I'm trying to be good and to actually apply a treatment as well. This has a very light jelly kind of texture that basically just melts into the skin, so it's not super moisturizing and super greasy, super heavy under the eyes, because I don't like those kind of moisturizers. I just apply a little bit, on my fingers, and then I just dot this all around. I don't use an eye cream or an eye treatment in the evening because I usually will just have some really puffy eyes in the morning since the products are too, heavy for my skin. But in the morning it's really lovely to apply something like this. Not only it will protect the area, but also it's very good underneath the makeup. It's good to have that area prepared and hydrated. And now let's finish this cocktail that I have on my face, I like to call it. I will be using my face moisturizer, and the one that I'm absolutely loving right now is the Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. The key ingredient in here is guaiacol, which is derived from chamomile oil. has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and soothing properties, and this is why it actually has this like blue color, because of this ingredient. And once again, this is just so soothing and so, like the name suggests, just calming. I never, you know, feel my skin irritated after using this. It has again a very nice soft texture that I absolutely love, and it's very soothing, very hydrating. So this is just one of my favorite face moisturizers ever. So that's it, you guys, for my morning skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you like this lighting, because I think I should film also some get ready with me kind of videos with this lighting. And I will see you in my next video.